We're going to do a brief video on Algo Trading SP500, and we've got a daily chart up here of the SP500 E-mini futures contract. The symbol's ES on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. You can't see it on this chart because it's not updated yet. But this SP500 is selling off today. The high today is 38.04, the low is 37.34, and just as we anticipated, we did not get even a rally at all past yesterday's prices, and we turned right around. We're going back down again. We're not down making new lows today, but we are definitely down to 37.34, and that was what we anticipated. When you get a sharp rally like this off a bottom without any support like this here, you just get a very sharp rally. That's just short covering. There's nothing behind it, and it's usually going to fall down, and that's exactly what we're seeing today on this SP500. We'll take a look at our algo trading in a minute and see what it said, but in general, just to recap, we're in a bear market on this. We expected to get some heavy resistance here on the 20-day moving average. We did not get there, and so now we're selling off today on the SP500. Let's take a look on the algo trading of SP500. Our first one we'll take a look at here is a short position 30-day hold. These are algo generated with a moving average component. Worst case, hold 30 days, close out of the loss. Best case, take your position and cover it as soon as you get a profit. This has a short out today at 38.08 for the SP500. I don't think the market traded that high today. Let me take a quick look. And the market did not. It's 38.04, so we didn't hit that. It was about 4 full points above the market yet. So we got the direction right, but our price was a little high. Let's go down and take a look at the non-moving average SP500. These are algo generated for 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day hold periods. You can just select your hold period and use these for entertainment purposes only to see what's going on. We have on the 2-day hold a short position at 38.34, and then all the way down to 38.18, and of course these are above the market. The market high today is 38.04. So we got the direction right. The prices are a little bit too aggressive, but that's good. There's no problem with all that. You can get access to all of our algorithmically generated prices for 190 stocks, the major Forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, including the SP500 that I just showed you at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. Just head on over there. No cost, no credit card required. Just enter your email and sign right up. Get all the updates before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. Please click the like button if you like this video. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. We will keep our eye on the SP500 for you and put up some more videos, so please subscribe so you can see them. If you have any great comments, we'd love to hear them in the comments section. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here, including our entry prices and our commentary, is for entertainment purposes only. You can only use it for entertainment, and you should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.